Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing a few packages, some from Supreme and one from Antisocial Social Club. We'll start with this one from Supreme. I waited a little bit on this. This is for my second order. I ordered it like, I don't know, 3 days after the drop, so probably on Thursday. And it was here first, and my first package took the longest. We'll start with the stickers. I got the banner sticker, pretty cool. Plain BOGO, not a scratch off. Oh, the Save the Planet sticker. And this is the shoulder bag. I think it's in here. There's the strap. Pretty nice quality. Bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's better than last year's bag, that little red one. And they had like another camo version of it. So it's definitely bigger. Has a little clip on the back of it. Oh. Some of these to attach to another bag, I guess. That's all for that one. They sent it separately. I bought another thing with it. I assume it's in one of these. This one's from Antisocial Social Club. I got 2 items. I waited 2.5 months. But I should have ordered more. That's what I'm saying. If you're going to wait that long, order more stuff. Oh, a little fancy. I got my FTP box cutter. Let's go cut it open. It is a real Zippo from Antisocial Social Club. Couldn't believe that. I was wondering if it was going to be real. And there it is. And, oh, well, there's a sticker. Peel that off. Look at that. And it's I Feel the Same. I like this. Is a nice rainbow, this mirror finish. Supreme did a similar one a few years back. I want to add it to the collection, but I haven't yet to. Packing. The other item I got was this belt. Let me take this out for you. Big logo after logo. And ends with this buckle. Oh, from the other package, a little Army Man. Free item of the week. This is my... I don't know what package this is. We'll see what it is from Supreme. Truthfully, I don't know if it's all here. Oh, here we go. I did get a scratch off. Pretty nice. It says it came in a box. The Mary J. Blige sticker. The website was not very good week 1. I did not get any tees. I did get this other sticker, so I had the small ones and this big one. Another Army Man. And a nice little camp cap. Stick it out of here. Pretty nice quality. I believe this is the denim cap. Nope, canvas. Canvas cap. Huh? Try that on later. And the last package, there should be 2 items for my first order. I placed on drop day on Monday. Oh, another scratch off. Another Mary J. Blige. What else is in here? Another Army Man. Oh, here we go. I got the 1-800 pin, 1-800 Supreme. I can get that open. In red. Focus in on that. And my other item was this lighter in clear or white. It They didn't do a Zippo this year. It's from another company, I believe out of Italy. It's nice. Oh, another sticker. Same one as I got. And I believe that's it. I have more unboxings coming for you. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.